Hello and welcome back to the series of Staying Healthy for Prevention of COVID-19 infection during the current pandemic. This is the video 9. We're going to talk about sanitizing groceries and importance of the good nutrition to fight against this nasty infection. So COVID-19 is a very sticky virus. It can stay attached to any surface, including the fingers, doorknobs, tables, etc. Therefore, at home, one should consider regularly sanitized surfaces such as a kitchen table, doorknobs, toilet handles and buttons, light switches, and kitchen appliances such as knobs and buttons which you frequently touch. Spraying or rubbing diluted hypochlorite solution, which is bleach, Lysol solution or wipes or soap. Any detergent is apparently sufficient to destroy this virus. I would leave a little bit longer the wetness before you have to wipe it, otherwise let it get dried so that the detergent is still hanging around there. Many are not aware that it's important to sanitize the bags and containers that contain the groceries you bring from supermarket and other shops. This is important before you keeping them on the kitchen table or certainly before you putting them in the fridge or a freezer. Because in cold temperature, the virus can survive for many days, if not a couple of months. I suggest that before you put the clean food on the table, you sanitize the tabletop before you placing goods, either with a spray, like spray, or just sanitizing rubs or wipes. Use of alcohol, Lysol, or similar disinfectant wipes or rubs is good enough to clean these surfaces. Make sure that you dispose the wipes after their use into trash. When possible, empty the food from shopping bags into clean container and then dump the bags in trash cans. Immediately discard all disposable containers, boxes, plastic wrappers and bags into trash. Otherwise, one need to rub the surfaces of these containers with disinfectant before putting them on the kitchen table to prevent any contamination, especially referring to food items. Remember that fridge or freezing will not kill COVID-19. It survives longer in cold, damp conditions, including the fridge freezers and air conditioning systems. So let's talk about the fruits and vegetables. How can we sanitize them easily without damaging their nutrients? Fruits and vegetables can easily become contaminated in markets and supermarkets and those who carry the virus, whether they are workers or shoppers alike. Somebody come to the market can sneeze and entire section can get contaminated, but no one would notice unless there's a CCTV camera. So follow the above guidelines and use common sense precautions when buying and bringing fruits and vegetables into home. Make sure that you properly treat them and getting rid of the virus if there's any, and throw in the wrappers, boxes and disinfectant use wipe straight into trash can. Remember that the vinegar and salt water, which we traditionally use to kill bacteria in fruits and vegetables, will not destroy COVID-19. However, detergents will. So it's best to put the fruits and vegetables in a bowl of soap in warm water and leave them there for between 6 and 10 minutes so that if there are any viruses attached, they can get dislodged and get damaged. Make sure that you rinse the fruits and vegetables in clean water several times before using them or storing them. What about the clothing? COVID can easily attach tightly to their clothing and any other material, as I said, including bags, shopping bags, brown papers, and boxes, and could last anything from 12 to 18 hours, depending on the condition. any detergent or disinfectant like Lysol or Clorox can disinfect of these surfaces from the virus. So, easiest thing is to spray disinfectants or use exposures clothing directly into the sunshine outside the house. That will also help to destroy the virus. But because the virus is resistant to UVAs and Bs, it's going to take a longer time to destroy the viruses. Be mindful that those who are in front line fighting against COVID and helping the public like you and I can bring the viruses home through their clothing and footwear. So it would be a good practice to keep the footwear, in fact, if possible, the clothing in the garage or outside the house. Especially don't bring inside your bedrooms till you are able to put them on the direct sunlight or sanitize them on the following day. So what's the current trend in the growth of COVID-19 infection? There had been a slight change in the trend of affecting the age groups. It used to affect mostly the elderly over 70 years of age, but not anymore. There are a lot of younger people are getting affected, and even the infant as young as 4 months old. So no one is protected from getting the infection from COVID. At the current rate of 33% of spread, which is we consider as exponential growth, the viral load can double in every 2 to 2.5 days. In the worst case scenario, with the exponential doubling time of COVID-19, as seems to be happening in the United States and in India in particular, the number of infected people could exceed 10 million in each country under 8 to 10 weeks, which is a short duration, unless additional drastic actions are taken to flatten this peak than the expected infection supposed to come within the next few weeks. Be conscious, and effective social distancing and other precautionary and proactive actions should continue indefinitely until the period of danger is over. In addition, additional measures may also be needed as the disease progresses. So the next video, I'm going to address the importance of good nutrition and calming the mind. Both seems to affecting our immune system quite positively. So till then, thank you. Have a great day and be safe. This is Professor Wimalawansa, Professor of Medicine in New Jersey, United States of America. Thank you.